Hey everybody, I'm Addie.
And I'm Ashley, and today we're going to be making them barbecue chicken sliders.
Alright guys, so we're done now and we're going to try it, so let's do it. I think it's good!
Yeah, it's a good, quick meal. I'm sorry, I'm trying to chew and talk, chow. But no, yeah, it's good. I'm here for it. 10 out of 10. And it's easy. It's affordable. You don't have to worry about trying to break the bank for these ingredients. You can do this for like friends, family, or yourself if you want to. Like, yeah.
I'm gonna do this again. This is
I
good.
would too.
So tell us what you guys think about what it looks like, and we're just telling you guys.
A little burnt. It is, but
It
it's a little burnt.
don't taste burnt.
It doesn't. So you know what they call it? It's charred. It's just a little
It's
charred.
just a little dark skin.
Okay, or that, you know, chocolate, sweeter the berry. No. Darker the berry.
Sweeter the juice.
Yes.
Like this video. Like this video if you like this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment down below of what you thought about our sliders that we made. It's barbecue sliders, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
The barbecue sliders.
Barbecue chicken sliders.
What is it?